मैंने आप लोगों से कहा था कि कुछ दिनों पहले मैंने आप लोगों से ये कहा था कि मैं क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर वीडियो करने वाली हूँ, तो प्लीज़ आस्क मी लॉट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। तो मेरे पास कुछ क्वेश्चंस आई हैं एंड पीपल वांटेड टू नो मोर अबाउट मी, बट आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ वीडियो रिगार्डिंग माय इंट्रोडक्शन। तो वो इनिशियल फेजेस में था जब मैंने YouTube स्टार्ट किया था, तो हो सकता है आप लोगों को और कुछ जानकारी जानने की इच्छा हो। तो मैं क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर की दिस वुड बी माय फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो फर्स्ट कुछ लोगों ने जानना चाहा कि व्हाट इज़ माय रियल नेम। तो दिस पर्टिकुलर चैनल आई हैव क्रिएटेड बाय द नेम ऑफ बुनबुन, सो दिस इज़ माय निक नेम and my real name is Suparna Chakrabarti, and basically I belong to Kolkata. I am a Bengali Indian, and currently I am residing in Chennai with my mom and my sister. So it's very sad that my father passed away last year. So it is at that moment only when my sister and my mother inspired me to start a YouTube channel, because previously when I was in Kolkata, so I was working. So I have worked in Tata Consultancy Services in Kolkata for 10 years. So after that I moved to Chennai. So in Chennai also I had worked with a lot of companies. तो मेरा रियल नाम है सुपर्णा चक्रवर्ती। तो कुछ लोगों को मेरे रियल नाम के बारे में जानना था, क्योंकि एंड आई चोज दिस पर्टिकुलर नेम फॉर माय चैनल स्टोरी ऑफ माय लाइफ बाय बुनबुन। सो आई थॉट इट वुड बी वेरी यूनिक, बिकॉज ये बुनबुन नाम टिपिकली वी डोंट फाइंड इन द चैनल, एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर नेम वाज गिवन टू मी बाय माय मॉम, सो दिस इज माय निकनेम। So all quick questions जो है, where do you live? So I have already answered this. Currently I am living in Chennai, but I belong to Kolkata. And my favorite color, so my favorite color is blue and green colors, I would say. Favorite food, anything which is tasty, so both veg and non-veg. And my goals, so initially when I started growing up, so my goal was to become when I initially started my job, my goal was to grow up higher in the ladder in my company. So I had worked for the long 10 years in Tata Consultancy Services. So when I resigned from my job, I was working as a team leader for about 5 years there. So I wanted to become assistant manager and grow up the ladder and project leader, etc. But nothing that sort happened because I had to resign from my job. So then next question is, do you like cooking? Yes, I like cooking. So different dishes, I like to experiment with different dishes. And another question is that that moment, the moment when you felt very proud of yourself. So I felt very proud of myself when I got through in Tata Consultancy Services, because that was my first company with which I got associated, and you can understand how dedicatedly I had worked there for 10 years. So then coming on to the next, when did you start YouTube? So I started blogging or my YouTube channel on 8th November 2019, and luckily I got it monetized last month. So why did you start blogging? You could say actually I was getting a little bored, and sitting at home, you can understand that when you have worked long for a lot of years, and then also I had worked in Chennai, but typically I wasn't able to continue my job. So I wanted to do something very challenging and my mom and my sister suggested, why don't you start blogging? But truly speaking, I was very shy, camera shy. I'm very camera shy, though I had been a faculty taking classes regarding various languages, etc. before, but there you know that there are a limited number of people in front of whom you are going to put forth your views. But when you are talking or creating videos in YouTube, it's where you don't know whether you will be accepted, because there are many people who are watching you, not only in India but also outside, and you don't know whether your channel would grow. And I was very hesitant at the start whether I would be able to create a mark in the YouTube world or community, you can say. But yes, I am happy that I am a YouTuber, because I have received very positive feedback from a lot of people on my Insta. They have continuously been inspiring me that you are doing well, go on. And the constant support which I have got from my family, my sister and my mom is really commendable. So they were always inspiring me. You need to go on, because certain times I did get demoralized when I wasn't getting my subscribers, because it's really difficult to get subscribers. And when you are a small YouTube channel, you can say a starter, to get the subscribers, it's very difficult. And to be able to create a mark in the mind of the people, to be a part of their life so that they daily look up at your videos, it's very difficult. Because you know that within the YouTube there are so many channels, growing up channels with 1 million subscribers, and they have already created a mark in the mind of the people. Even I have been inspired by a lot of Indian YouTubers, be it technical YouTubers and also the daily vloggers. So I used to constantly watch them. So this is a few questions which I think I've been able to answer. And if you want to know more about me, you are always welcome. You can put down in the comment section whatever you want to know about me, because I want to people to know more about me and watch my videos, and so that I'll be able to interact with them more and more. And I was taken one question I got, what is the secret of my beauty? I really don't know what is the secret of my beauty, because I don't apply a lot of makeup. And the whole if you people think that I am beautiful, and that goes, full credit goes to my mom, because she has brought me, mom and dad, they have brought me into this particular world. So I'm ever being grateful to them. And because I'm part of their body and I've grown up, if people think I am a beautiful woman, the whole credit goes to them. So I don't prefer doing a lot of makeup, but I've put in lipstick today. Sometimes I do put in lipstick and a very little bit of, you can see I use a bit of foundation, but not always, very rarely. I don't like makeup, much makeup. Sometimes I do little bit, but I prefer not doing makeup, because I think that makeup is very harmful for your skin. But a little bit makeup I think is okay, but maintaining your skin, the purity of your skin and the cleanliness of your skin, everyday nourishment, the whatever creams you put in, try to go for good brands, and more preferably go for natural makeup. Natural way of cleansing, moisturizing, exfoliating your skin. That is what I would suggest all of you. Like this particular video which I will be putting through today, and try to continue to have faith in me, and please support me. And if you like this video, do like, and please comment and share your views, and share this particular video if you like it with your family members and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. And how are you going to subscribe to my channel? You need to press the bell icon and press all, so that you'll be able to get all the notifications whenever I put up any new videos. This is all for today. This is a story of my life by Bunbun Suparna, signing off. Bye bye and take care, friends.